For having a healthy functioning liver, we need two things: healthy good diet and healthy lifestyle habits. But, in these modern times this is hard to achieve and attain. We are somehow forced to eat fast food and unhealthy items, because we do not have time to cook or stay longer at work, so we are exposed to loads of toxins. Our liver must be protected at all times since its work is vital for us. To achieve that, we must do often detoxes. The liver needs this process called detox, because its work is to cleanse our body and remove those harmful toxins inside, and not just help in protein absorbing. This is the drink that works like a miracle for your liver. To recognize liver problems might take a longer time than you'd thought it would, so in the meantime cleanse the liver and eat healthy. If the liver already gets damaged, you will be attacked by minor, and more serious issues in the future. To cleanse this organ is easy and simple, and natural. You need lemon juice, orange juice, fresh mint leaves, handful, 1 liter water, organic honey. Preparing. Place the water on heat to make it boil. Then to it, add the mint leaves and boil 5 min more. Set aside from the heat to cool a few minutes and then, in this add the orange/lemon juices both together with the grated peel of lemon too. In the end, stir in the honey. Sip this beverage warm or cold, it cleanses the liver either way and also improves the digestive system work.